Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use team member slider shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of team member slider shortcode. Team member slider shortcode can be used to display your team member name, photo, position and social profiles. This way you can show your company's professions and their expertise as well as show your visitors who they might be dealing with in future. If you have more number of team members and you want to accommodate those in less space, then team member slider is best option to achieve same. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Now click on plus icon inside column. In pop-up window select POFO tab and click on team member slider shortcode. POFO contains two different and interactive team member styles. This is style 1. This is style 2. Let me select style 1. This is pagination area and you can also enable navigation with next and previous arrows. You can switch on off pagination. Pagination style, there are two styles, dot style or align style. Let me select dot style. Pagination color style, there are two styles, dark style and light style. Let me select dark style. You can switch on navigation and select navigation style and cursor color style. If you want to display separator, then you can switch on this option. Go to Slides tab. This is the area where you can add all team member details. You can upload team image here. If you have uploaded bigger image, then you can use any thumbnail image version to optimize page speed using this option. Enter team member name and designation. Enter content or summary about member. If you want to show social media profiles icon visible with link, then you can add different social profiles URL here. Let me add hash for example for some social media profiles. If you are not able to find your social profile list here, then you can add your custom icon code here to make your icon and link visible. You can click on plus icon to add new team member details or click on clone row option to create duplicate copy of this team member. Let me clone this team member and create 3 more members and update content and image information. So we have added 4 member information. Go to Slider Configuration tab. Transition speed, you can set slide speed time like 1000 means 1 second. You can switch one autoplay if you want your slider to autoplay when page loaded. You can set delay time, let me add 3000 means 3 seconds. You can switch on loop. Slides per view option. Using this option you can show no of members in one slide in slider, and you can set it for desktop, mini desktop, tablet and for mobile. Let me select 3 slides per view. Style tab, here you can assign box hover background color and opacity. You can select icon size, icon color, you can also set horizontal and vertical alignment of text in different devices. Typography tab, here you can manage typography of member name and designation. You can set font size, line height, letter spacing, font weight, set element tag H1, H2, etc., italic font on off, change font color, font underline on off, Suppose you have entered big font size like 50 pixel, then in all devices client name will display with 50 pixel font size. So if you want to use a responsive font in smaller devices, then new and switch on this option. Go to Extra tab, this is Element ID, you can assign unique ID to your element, then Extra class name, you can add CSS class name here and then write custom CSS for this row. You can add custom CSS code in Appearance Customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in Child Theme Style file also. Let me save changes and preview it. Wow, you can see all 4 added team members with slider here. Go to General tab and select Style 2, save changes and preview it. You can see Style 2 here with all added information. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.